Since its release in 2009, Native Instruments' groove production studio, Maschine, has become an essential music-making tool for many professional producers and DJs. The fully integrated hardware-software music production system has changed the way people make music, with its fast and intuitive workflow, bold sounds, and constant evolution. Now there's a new way to get a hold of Maschine. Introducing Maschine Mikro. Maschine Mikro gives you the same responsive pads and build quality, the same powerful software, and the same 6 GB sound library as Maschine, but in a smaller, more compact format. Edit and slice your audio material with the pro-grade sampler. Enhance your tracks with the onboard studio quality effects and create super tight rhythms with a pattern-based sequencer. The comprehensive sound library includes thousands of samples, drum kits, instruments, and patterns from expert beat makers, all easy to find in a clear tag-based browser. Use your favorite VST and audio unit instruments and effect plugins, and access all your complete 8 presets straight from the hardware. Try it out with the included copy of Complete Elements. And when you're working in your DAW, Maschine Mikro will supercharge your workflow. A perfectly integrated, rugged, and intuitive groove box. Create beats, perform live, or produce entire tracks with the power of state-of-the-art software and the physical flow of hardware. Big sound, small size, and an unbeatable price.